So I'm out here snowshoeing today. Got my modern snowshoes on. You can see. Try to get that without flipping the axis of my video. So I've got a challenge out here in the wilderness with my snowshoes. Bright sun, I gotta put on my sunglasses. So the challenge for today is, with my doggy, I'm gonna go out and attempt to retrieve the bird feeder out by the tree here and get it, bring it back. I had to blaze a trail out to the bird feeder. I got a trail blaze for my archery trail, but so I'm gonna put this on. I got these touch sensitive gloves. There we go. Right now, here we go, blazing the trail. I think I'm gonna go down. This is my trail for that I already made for my archery range. And I think I'm gonna start right here. The snow is melted a little bit because it's been hot, warm, and I usually use my traditional snowshoes first to make a wider trail, and then use these modern snowshoes. Oh, you can see how I sunk down in here. I was going on the top, but my traditional snowshoes float more. Oh boy, I'm in trouble. My leg just went down the snow. I'm gonna have to shut this off, and well, I'm gonna have to set it over here where I can try to get out of this situation here.